Welcome to Learnglish. Today we will be comparing two confusing expressions would rather and would prefer. What is the difference? Would rather expresses a choice between two options, and it tends to be more informal and is commonly followed by the base form of the verb. Remember, you always use a base verb after would rather. And here's the contraction form. I'd rather have a party. I'd rather read a book than watch TV. Remember, would rather is never followed by a noun. Would prefer expresses a choice or desire for one option or another. It indicates a person's wish regarding a particular situation or decision. There are three different ways that you can use would prefer. You can use to plus verb, you can use a noun, and also you can use the ing verb after would prefer. Here's the contraction form. He'd prefer to ride the bicycle. I'd prefer coffee to tea. I'd prefer going shopping to sleeping. Now let's try. Please like this video if you found it helpful and share it with friends. 1. She a small wedding. A wedding is a noun and you use a noun after would prefer. 2. They to eat Italian food. You can see to plus a verb which is to eat and you say would prefer. 3. I go for a walk than stay indoors. You can see the base verb go, so we use would rather. 4. He doing homework to watching TV. You can see the ing verb doing and you say would prefer. 5. She study in the library than at home. You can see the base verb and here we use would rather. Please subscribe for more content and let me know what topic should I cover next.